Meghan Markle and Prince Harry may not be living in the royal home, but that doesn't mean they aren't living like royalty. The couple's new home is not only huge, but has every luxurious feature that you can possibly think of. It is a highly customized, smart home that from every angle speaks of the couple's standards. So, what are some of the most royal features of the home? And why is this house listed among the world's best homes? It's a huge property of 23,000 square feet with a fascinating view. It is called the Modern Fortress by many and is motorized and accessible with the latest technology. It has a home theater, kitchens, bathrooms, pools, beautiful aesthetic features, spa, fitness room, huge closet, terrace pool, and more. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry spent £11 million on the mansion, and the property is in the most lavish area of California. Later, we are going to discuss why the mansion has become so popular, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you an inside look at Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's £11 million luxury California home. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Yeah, imagine living in a place that feels transparent, not limited by walls, where you can enjoy gorgeous views of the outdoors while sitting inside. Cool, right? Well, Meghan and Harry designed their home so they can get all the comfort and privacy they need. You might be wondering if they had to appoint heavy security. Well, surprise, surprise, they didn't have to. Looks like the couple spent a good amount on a 54-foot tall bulletproof glass wall that not only gives a great look to the house, but also ensures their safety. Assuming that this is where the couple spends most of their time, let's take a look at the main home first. Laden with 8 luxurious bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, and 2 kitchen islands, it is a large space perfect for the couple to relax and party. The kitchen is an open space featuring wooden floor and patio doors that enhance their dining experience by giving access to the outdoors. The home also has staff quarters, so cleaning a house of this size is taken care of. The living area is an open space with a fireplace and glass walls that give an outside view. This makes meeting with friends and family such a different experience. In the main house, next comes the grand staircase, and I bet you will be shocked to know what is special about it. Well, here it is. The staircase is cut from a single piece of wood and molded into a sophisticated spiral staircase. The railing is lined with warm brown leather, and each stair is made of limestone. It is a dazzling aesthetic beauty. Now, you might be thinking, it can't get any better than this, but it does. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Next, they have a marvelous home theater. Spacious with a huge screen, comfy chairs, and the theater has a beautiful carpet. The next section of the home includes a wonderful spa. The spa has his and her saunas with a plunge pool in the middle. Sounds so relaxing already. There is also a fitness room and a marble steam room. The huge mansion has amazing outdoors. The outside is divided into various levels and terraces. There are multiple grass areas. There are 2 pools in total with a rooftop pool that has beautiful views of the house. That is another perfect area to relax and party. The pools are long and skinny. There is also plenty of room for entertainment with many games you can choose to play. The house is full of entertainment and fun, and anyone would love to come to visit the couple just to enjoy the luxuries that their mansion has. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's £11 million luxury California home? And which feature of the mansion did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.